Hey guys, Gold Bullion Treasures here. It's daylight out. We're gonna go check out that trash pile over there. I was on my way to the storage unit, but I figured, what the heck? But I need to find my gloves first, because last time I got cut over there. Of course, the stuff I got cut on is in storage, so we'll take one glove. One glove. I should put my thing on, right? I got my thing on. Hold on. Oh, God. Yeah, I tried to take this apart, but it's got those lock screws on there. So I'm going to have to bust it apart. I got most of the screws out, just some special, star ones that have that little piece right in the middle so you can't get things undone. It's there for a reason, right? Alright, hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. I just decided to get some pliers here, cutting wires. I got my last new bag on my arm here. St. Flamingo. Let's go check out some trash. Get the scrap. Alright, I'm gonna be right here, so I think my car will be okay unlocked. It's just right here. I think I'm in a church thing, but I don't know for certain because there's no sign here. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a building permit on a tree. Maybe they're still building. Alright. We're on a dead-end street. But there's a lot of trash apparently from across the street. So let's see what we got going on here. So, oh, a bag. Yes. We'll get that first off here. If it's okay, that is. Looks okay. Marshall's bag. Go ahead and wad that up and stick it in my bag. Bag inside the bag. That's going to be one of those cheap bags that'll fall apart. So let's see here. West Coast Choppers. So somebody was into motorcycles and stuff. Huh. The good stuff might have been taken already. It's possible. Ooh, are those aluminum frames? I think they are. It's not going to fit in my bag. But yeah, that's aluminum. I'll take that. Oh, Lord. What is that on there? Okay, they had this thing all tied up with wire and everything else. Alright, they're tied together then. Fine. Take them both at the same time, no problem. I think that's about it for real. Let's look around real quick. Somebody already ripped into that, so definitely people were here, but I don't know why they wouldn't have taken the aluminum frames. Yeah, nothing else. Alright, y'all. We'll grab the aluminum frames and trash that's stuck to it. Is that part of it too? Yeah? Somebody stuck a car windshield thing on there. Windshield screensaver. Oh, it had like a little pit door in there. Huh. There. Oh, I don't want that. I'll take this though. I need a pet door thing for my kitty. Maybe I'll keep it. Just maybe. Oh, I got a leaf in my shoe, I think. Well, that's better than nothing. It's aluminum. And a pet door. Alright, set that against the car. Load her up. Oh, mercy. Well, okay, we'll stick this. Well, we'll get this bag out of here. So, I almost forgot I got that already. Alright, so that's empty again. Those are still full, and that's empty. Alright. Oh, this is driving me nuts. Just shove it down in there further. Okay, then we'll take this here. It looks like I might have got a bit of copper wire on there, too. That would be awesome, right? Maybe not. don't know where we at. There we go. Is it? I can't tell. It's got sheathing on them, the inside of the insulation and stuff. Ew. Okay then. Alright. Well, we might find something else on the way to the storage unit, and then again, we might not. So, I guess I'll just plug you in, because I was watching YouTube already. Taco stacks. Scrapping pallet man. And myself, of course. Alright, I'm going to head down the road. I'm going to pause you guys. If I find something else, I'll bring you back. If not, we'll hang it up and close it up. Okay, guys, I made it to my storage unit. Got a, what I call a fairy bug on me. Let's see if I can zoom in. Try that. Where's it at? Huh. Can't see it. Sorry, y'all. Trying to zoom into the fairy bug. It's hard to see. Oh, there it is. Right there, little fairy bug. She has wings that are so fluffy like a fairy. Just been sitting there the whole time. Alright, I'm here at the storage unit. This fairy bug's gonna have a new home. Alright, y'all, hold on. Hey guys, we are back. So I finally got the orange cover off of this. It's in the trash can there. I got the screws out, and this is the dangerous part because it still could be more in there to uncoil. So I'll try to see if I can't bust it open here. Okay, hold on. There's still some in there. Oh yeah, there it goes. Alright. So yeah. Get these pieces picked up. Trash. And it's still got a rusty coil piece on there. Oh, it's rolling away. Oh. Alright. So yeah, that one got waterlogged, it looks like. The end of it's chopped off. I don't think I have... Well, yeah, I guess I do. It's in the car. Alright, let me see here. Oh, where is my hammer at? Well, I don't see the hammer. Hold on. My tool bag. There's stuff everywhere. Here it is. Right. Got this little piece here. I'm gonna try and get that out. Oops. See if I can't prop you guys up. I don't know what you can see, what you can't see, but we'll just do the best we can, right? Huh, what is in there? I think it's got like a locking mechanism down in there. Yeah, the opposite side worked. There you go. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what that's made out of. Alright, y'all. Back over here. It might be cast. I'll have to see it, get the magnet here and find out. Dread getting that all off, so maybe I'll just leave that on there. Put it here for now. Ooh, sweat in my eyes, y'all. Oh, I'm all sweaty. Ooh, goodness. So, alright. I got the AC running in my car, so because it's so hot out here, I just gotta cool off once in a while. Trying to get this off. So piece of screen, metal screen. Okay, got that piece off. I want to throw it in there, but right now it's trying to get all of those bristles together. So, yeah. Guess I'll stick it over here for now. Alright, let me try to gather those up and I'll put you guys back on the charger in the car and keep you charged. Alright, hey guys. I'm sorry I couldn't record everything. I was trying to get this backing off of here because I didn't have the proper lock, unscrew lock tool. But I got it open. Now I'm just taking these screws out, so I guess you might want to see me tear it apart the rest of the way. Collecting on my street sweeper bristles is what I got in there so far. It's not all of them yet. I'm still trying to collect them up, but I thought I'd go ahead and tear this apart. I don't think I'm going to make it to the scrapyard today after all. Been here a while trying to get this thing apart. And also trying to clean up them screen door aluminum pieces there. So I got a separate pile of metal that the magnet sticks to, and then this little box here is going to hold the street sweeper bristles in it. So at least if I can get some of it separated today, get it ready for next week, that's what I'll do. Got my car cooling off still, because I just got you guys off the charger again because the phone was getting low on energy. I tried to pause the phone so that I could keep on recording without having to try to paste them or merge them all together. I got two different video creators, but one of them won't allow long videos, but it is faster at uploading, but the other one will allow almost an hour-long video, but it's really slow for uploading, but it might just be because of the length of the video. I don't know. There's a lot of screws in this thing. Oops. It's a big old, well, I don't know. It looks like a motor, but I don't know if it really is or not. Kind of want to kneel down here, but scrapyard closes at 3:30. It's 3:03 right now, so I don't have enough to make a really good load, in my opinion, to go there. I have some aluminum cans I could take. I guess I could do that and then come back to this. I don't know. Can I get it all together and get down there in time? I don't know. Eesh. I don't know. Oh. Alright, so that's got like maybe aluminum pieces in there too. And a circuit board. Alright, y'all. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me try to get this over here into my unit. And I could come back after I go turn in some cans. My bag up there. Some big old plastic pieces here. That was the back of that. Put those back in there. I don't know. I don't even think I'm going to make it with the cans because I've still got to put all them together. Let me do that real quick. Okay, guys. I missed the 3:30 one. It's 3:37, something like that. 3:36. I'm going to go to the one, the scrapyard that pays less. The other one was paying like 33 cents a pound the last time I took some scrap there. Oh, God. It's so hot. I'm so glad I got my AC running still. Excuse me. So yeah, let's make a trip to the scrapyard, and if I remember, I'll try to record the paper slip before I turn it in because they don't give you the slip. Oh my god. I'm trying to remember where they're at. There y'all go, sliding. Alright, we'll just put you away for now. Okay guys, can't believe you guys are still on, but here we go. Here is 35 cents a pound for aluminum cans. I had 8 pounds, so $2.80. 2 more cents than the other place, so that's pretty good. Alright, I'll be back with the cash. Okay guys, here you go. $2.80. Bum, bum, bum. Where'd it go? Oh. There you go. $2.80. Keep sliding. Not bad. Cha-ching! I thought the other place was only 33 cents a pound, but I thought it paid 3 something. I got that paper in here still. Ah! Dropped you guys. Let's see here. From last week, oh, it was 38 cents per pound, not 33. I was wrong. Last week, not last week, whenever it was, the 19th of last month was 38 cents a pound, but 3 cents cheaper. That's not bad still for the same amount of weight, 8 pounds. Not bad at all. I take it, yeah. So this place doesn't take metal that sticks to a magnet and stuff, so, but this is what it is right here, ABC Metals. I'll go ahead and take off. They're about to close. It's 4:08. They close at 4:15. I know I ran out of water. I didn't bring any extra today. ABC Metals, y'all. Alright, let's get out of here. It's funny because I forgot where I was at because I've only been here one time before. And I pulled in here, so I said, now I gotta turn around. And I was like, wait a minute, there it is down there at the end of the road. Don't exactly got a really good sign. It's that tiny little sign over there. So, yeah. Ooh, oh my god. It's gonna be a bit rocky, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Thanks for watching Gold Bone Treasures. Bye!